Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we want to talk about a new kind of miner. It's a BNB miner and it's called milkfarm. Of course I will put all the links in the description and look first of all at the design. I mean, it's really funny how they made it, I would say. And there are two interesting facts about this miner that really differentiates it from all the other miners I've heard of before. So first of all, you have this here, you have the emergency withdrawal, because as you might know, usually if you invest your BNB in a miner, for example, then it's gone and you can't withdraw it. You just get rewards. But this miner has the function that you can make the emergency withdrawal. I will explain this to you later, okay? And the other important feature is that it is fully automated. If you watch some videos on my channel, I already introduced a couple of miners to you. Usually you always have to to compound and do this stuff all yourself, but this one works fully automatically. You don't have to do anything, okay? So guys, let me show the white paper. Let me show the white paper. So that's the milk farm, that's the white paper. I really like this design. It's somehow like a little bit funny. Looks interesting. So white paper, we go here, and what is it? Let me show you. Milkfarm autominer. Milkfarm is a locked BNB staking pool, also referred to as miner. And investors are able to make returns on the investment up to 15% daily. Crazy, but listen, daily percentage depends on various factors such as selling habits, the time of day you sell or hire, the TVL pool, this means total locked value, how big the contract is, the amount of milkers you have hired, and the price of BNB, okay? How does it work? To start earning 50% daily rewards, you must hire milkers, through the dApp on our website. As mentioned before, the links will be in the description. Then those milkers will start minting milk that you can either sell or use to rehire milkers. What is the price of milk? Milk doesn't have a set price. Lower TVL means more milk per BNB, higher TVL means less milk per BNB, okay? Why is it called an autominer? That's the interesting feature. Because all functions such as sell and rehire will be fully automatic, okay? Auto sell and rehire, you cannot decide, listen, you cannot decide when to sell or rehire your milk. It's done automatically by the miner. There's a custom algorithm that takes into account how much BNB people have invested every day and how much BNB has left the TVL because of the auto sales. If there are new investors, the miner will sell more frequently. If we spend some time without new investors, the algorithm will take more days to sell. This means, this function should make this contract or this miner more sustainable. Also, not all sales are performed at the same time. That would hurt the TVL. The algorithm will sell slowly each day to avoid dumps, TVL dumps, okay? We have a 5% buy tax and a 5% sell tax. There's no minimum deposit and there's a maximum sell limit to avoid dumps. This means to avoid big investors, miners, from dumping too much of the TVL, there will be a max sell programmed into the algorithm, which will be around 1% of the TVL. The amount can be sold will be used on the miner's rehire, okay? Then there will also be ROI boost events, like one-time events, begin on a certain day and last for a defined amount of days. For example, what could this be? We could define an opening event with 25% extra miners for the first 7 days. Periodic events begin on a certain day, last for a defined amount of days, and after period will repeat. For example, we could define a weekend period event only on weekends. You receive 30% extra milkers. So they really have some interesting ideas, I would say. And TVL milestone events, okay? Begins after the milkfarm TVL reaches a certain amount of BNB and lasts for a defined amount of days. When next milestone is reached, the other event begins. Example, 100% boost when we reach 100 BNB on TVL. Last for 2 days. 200% boost when reach 200 BNB, last for 4 days, etc. Yeah? Then what's the difference between hire and rehire? When you hire, this means you hire milkers by paying BNB from your wallet. So you exchange BNB for milkers, okay? When you rehire, you use your profits that you have gained from holding and compounding to hire milkers. Rehiring will be automatic, okay? Emergency withdrawal, that's a feature that usually, as much as I know, no other miner has. If you hire, but then decide you want to get out of the miner at some point and recoup your initial investment without waiting for profits to accumulate, you can press emergency withdrawal and will get back 75% of the amount you still did not recover. For example, imagine you invested 5 BNB on the miner and you recovered 1 BNB. You can use the emergency withdrawal button and will get 75% of 4 BNB. You would get back 3 BNB, okay? Important, once you use emergency withdrawal, your milkers are burned, okay? You won't get rewards anymore. Use it only if you want to get out of the project, so be careful with this button, okay? Milkfarm miner, that's it, guys. So as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I just want to show you different projects. And yeah, you might consider this one, but always, of course, do your own research before investing your money. And yes, guys, that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and see you.